Tyler Munis is a powerful ERP system designed for governments, schools, and public sector organizations. It helps manage everything from finance and payroll to HR, procurement, and citizen services. Munis includes a wide variety of built-in reports for finance, payroll, and operations. These reports are useful for day-to-day tasks, but sometimes you need something more specific, like a custom finance report, a tailored payroll analysis, or a dashboard that pulls data from multiple modules. It could be anything. This is where ReportingGuru comes in. We specialize in building reports for Munis. Whether you need crystal reports, SQL Server reports, SQL Server queries, dashboards, exportable formats like Excel or PDFs, we can design and build the reports to match your exact requirements. Our goal is to help you get the right information in the right format at the right time, so your team can make better decisions and save hours and hours, if not weeks, of manual work. If you're using Tyler Munis and need reporting solutions beyond the basics, ReportingGuru can help. Contact us today to learn how we can make Munis reporting work for you.